Hello, once again. Please welcome to my YouTube channel, Juliet Alpha Bravo. This time we will be docking at San Pedro Port, Illinois, USA. This is where we have to berth here, yeah? And this here, we will be docking in this area here. Now, these are my teammates now. This time is my handsome shipmate. This is my handsome AB, Japanese style AB. This my cadet. This very smiling AB. That is the bird there. Okay. Once again, please welcome to my YouTube channel, Juliet Alpha Bravo. Thank you.
Yeah, good dubs.
Ball 1 to 4.
Bawan to starboard. Still 420 sir. Minus 20. Stop bow.
Stop bow sir, minus 20.
Still 420 sir. Still 420 sir. Minus 30. Still 420 sir. Midship. Midship now sir. Victor 8 o'clock. Wow, starboard. Starboard 20. Starboard 20 now sir. Victor 8 o'clock sir. Still starboard 20. Minus 20. Still starboard 20 sir. Still starboard 20 sir. Victor 830.
Minus 30 sir, Boston.
Bawan to port.
Bawan to port sir. Minus 30.
Wow, to port.
Bow to port sir. Minus 30.
Still starboard 20 sir. 40. Victor still 830 sir. Hard starboard.
Minus 30 sir, to port bow.
50%. Copy sir, first line 54. Still hard starboard sir. Minus 20. Takas na hangin.
Minus 2 sir.
5-4 first line. Victor still 830 sir. Still hard starboard. Go to port bow. Minus 15.
Minus 15 sir. Minus 10.
Still hard starboard sir.
Minus 10 sir.
17 bullard.
Sabi mo 7.
Bakit doon yung ano niya? Bakit doon yung spring niya?
2 meters backward to bullet number 9. Thank you. Minus 5.
Still hard starboard sir.
Minus 5 sir.
Victor.
Bow.
Victor still 830.
Bakit doon mo pinalagay yung ano mo? Spring mo? Ano bang proa? Ano ang proa?
21, 11:21 yung nakalagay doon sir eh.
Anong number yung nilagyan mo ng bolt na spray mo pala to? 0.5. Anong bulan yung nilagyan mo ng spray mo?
19 daw sir.
Bakit ganon? Copy up! 1 to 4 out.
1 to port bow. Mid chip, mid chip, mid chip.
1 to 4 bow, sir.
Isa lang.
Minus 5. 0 pitch.
Mid chip now sir. Stop bow. Still rather mid chip sir.
Sir, 0 pitch. Stop bow, sir. 0 pitch.
Plus 5, plus 10, plus 3.
S5.
S5.
Ano yung proa?
Nakalagay doon sir, 11:21 sir eh.
21 ang sinabi yun.
S5 now sir.
Plus 3, sir. Stop bow.
S5.
S5, still S5 sir.
Isa lang man lubot. Ulit-ulit.
Ay sir, sorry sir.
Plus 3, sir.
Still S5 sir. Meters.
Meters ahead to Polar number 10. Bow stop, sir. Plus 3.
Still S5 sir. Speed 0.2 sir.
Plus 10. Plus 10, sir. Bow stop.
Zero pitch. Still S5 sir. Minus 20.
Chip.
Mid chip.
Minus 2, sir. Bow stop.
Mid chip now sir.
Minus 2, sir. Bow stop.
Still rather mid chip sir. Bow 1 to starboard.
Minus 3-0.
Minus 3, sir.
Chip ha?
Mid chip sir. Still mid chip.
Stop down. Minus 3, sir. Stop down.
Speed 0.3 sir.
Minus 3, sir. Stop down.
Okay boss.
Minus 3, sir.
Start your spring. Start your spring. 5 meter.
Minus 3, sir.
Aboy na, aboy! Okay, abim 10
Okay, very good.
Minus 3, sir. Bow stop.
Still mid chip sir.
420.
420.
Minus 3, sir.
Tagal no? Abutan na tayo.
Ayos.
Abutan na tayo ng ulan.
Di pa yan sir. Rather 420 sir.
Very good.
Minus 3, sir. Stop down.
Tayo 3. Abeng ka pa ngayon. Tayo 3. Abong ka sa Jess. Abong ka sa Jess.
Minus 3, sir.
Huwag mag-isahan yung spring na huwag mag-isahan. 420 ka dong.
Yes sir, still 420.
Minus 30, sir. Stop out.
Nice one.
Problem number 10. Minus 30, sir. Stop out.
Still 420 sir.
Minus 30, sir. Stop out. Minus 20. Minus 20, sir. Okay, one eye forward.
Still 420 sir.
Minus 10.
Minus 10.
Ay! 12, 12! 12!
Minus 10 here. Out up.
Zero pitch.
Zero pitch. Still 420 sir.
Midship.
Midship!
Bawan to port.
Bawat four. Bawat four here.
Sinding spring line. Wala parang ulan na sir. Wag muna. Nako.
Zero pitch here. Bawat four.
Minus 5.
Minus 5.
Tumakbo. Patakbo na ulan sir. Oh.
Here. Bawat four.
Midship brother sir ah.
Bawat four here. Minus 5.
Kinayan 12, okay na yan!
Ano po? Ano ba yung midline ko?
Una. Pick up slack lang. Pick up slack lang.
Minus 5 sir.
Nako, ulan na, ulan.
Minus 3.
3.
Brother midship sir ah.
Minus 3 sir. Bawat four.
Zero pitch.
Zero pitch. Still midship brother sir.
Plus 3.
Plus 3.
Is 5.
S5.
Stop out.
Stop bow.
Stop over plus 3. Happy 4.
S5 now sir.
Stop out plus 3 sir.
Midship.
Midship.
Is 5.
S5.
Pilot 3, wag mo nang design. Pilot 3. Wag mo nang design.
Plus 3 sir. Plus 3.
S5 now sir.
Sige, umabante tayo. Hayaan mo lang muna slack para dumikit tayo.
Unse. Unse ba daw sir?
Alin? Opa?
Oo sir.
Dito. Dito sa dito. Opa.
Ah.
Plus 3 sir.
Abaw.
Stop bow. Yeah. S5. Still is 5 sir.
Zero pitch. Minus 20.
Minus 20. Still S5 sir.
Midship.
Midship. Parating na ulan sir.
Sa Gis, payot, ano? Sa Gis na lang yung astern line mo, payot 3. Minus 3-0.
Minus 30.
GD, dampilan GD, walang bigat. Dampi lang, walang bigat. Sandal, walang bigat. Design yung headline, huwag design, kaya bubuka yung pupa. Ay, Sandal lang, walang bigat, sandal.
Still is
Bawas tukod.
rather midship, sir.
Ayaw 3, suggest na lang, stern line mo, suggest na lang. Pwede din, pwede sa navy. Minus 40.
11. Nakaraan, sir. Dito din tayo. Still rather midship, sir. Still midship.
Naputol? Anong nangyari sa hiping lang? Naputol?
Sir, naputol.
Para GD, para distansya, GD, distansya.
Still midship, sir.
Okay na sa dosi, okay na. Okay na yung master line, pwede sa GC, pwede nga dyan. Minus 30.
Bawan to port.
Tuloy lang sandal, walang persa. Hindi yun, sabi ko, nagmamanebrada pa. Midship!
Midship.
Auto port lang.
Still midship, sir.
Zero pitch. Para, Jenny, para. Jenny, buka. Dandan lang. Para, Jenny, para. Okay, position na tayo. Position na tayo, 3. One to port.
One to port.
Bilisan nyo yung
One to port, sir. Midship. Still rather midship, sir.
Pick up slack, spring forward. Pick up slack, spring. Ayaw, Trey, bilisan mo yung ano mo. Master line. Sandal din, sandal. Stop bow.
Stop bow.
Huwag mo na tisan yung spring mo, Payo 3, kasi atras pa tayo, Payo 3. Minus 20. Huwag mo tisan, spring mo, Payo atras pa tayo, payo 3. Get your spring forward, slightly tight. Get slightly tight your spring forward. Minus 3-0. Bow 1 to port.
Bow 1 to port. Still midship, sir.
Kung naarihan yan, spring mo, wag mo na arihan. Hold on mo na spring mo.
Bow 1 to port now, sir.
Proa, hold on na spring, wag mo na arihan. Wag mo na arihan yung spring mo sa proa, hold on mo na spring mo. Atras pa tayo ng 5 meters.
Still midship, sir.
Toto port.
2 to port, bow.
Yun. Minus 4-0.
Minus 4-0. No.
Stop bow.
Stop bow.
Midship.
Midship, still midship, sir. Still midship. Naulan. The rain is coming. Stop bow. Still midship, sir, ah.
Lipat mo yung spring mo, press line na yan, ilipat mo yung spring mo, payo to. Di ka marunong magtansay. Pangalawa na yan, nagtraga natin payo to, ha? Zero pitch. Dahan-dahan bira stern line. Hindi ka marunong magtansay. Yun yung inayawan ko dito ay segundo.
Still rather midship, sir.
Minus 3 lang. Pick up your stern line, payo 3. Pick up your stern line.
Bow 1 to port, sir.
Tandaan mo na yan, payo to. Tandaan mo na, para hindi ka palipat ng palipat. Tandaan mo na yan, para hindi ka palipat ng palipat.
Still rather midship, sir.
Forward, tandaan mo na yan, forward mo na yan sa spring. Sa next pulley. Okay.
Toto port.
2 to port, bow.
Bullard, yung proa. Diba nandun sa mensahe? Bakit ilalagay mo doon yung spring mo? Sa malapit sa proa.
Still rather midship, sir. 1 to port, bow. Ito, nababasa na yung cellphone, sir.
Kaya distansya na, GDA, distansya na tayo. Toto port bow. Eh, pito nga dito sa pupa, doon sa kanya, 3 na lang. Palitin ko itong dalawa na ito.
Mababasa na yung cellphone, sir. Stop, bow.
Sabi ko yung spring, wag nang aslakan yung spring mo sa proa. Saan ka ba nagbabantay? Nagtatago ka sa ulan? Sarado. Sabi ko, wag nang islakan yung spring mo.
Bawan to port. -3 sir, bawan to port. Still bawan to port sir, -3. Stop bow. Stop bow sir, -3. Still rudder midship. -3 sir, stop bow, still rudder midship. -3 sir, stop bow, rudder midship. -3, stop bow, still rudder midship sir. Bawan to port. Bawan to port now sir. Still -3. Still bawan to port sir, -3.
Moderator red light,